Okay, so today I'm going to attempt to show you how to replace the drive belt or turpentine belt. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. And it's not as easy as you think on a 2016 Land Rover Discovery. So I thought I can come here. This isn't the tensioner, this is one of the pulleys. Come here. There's a little, what's that, half inch that you'll put in the slot here. Can we get a close up on that? Anyway, come on. Put the half inch ratchet in here to loosen up the belt. Come to find out, the belt is held in the way they have it bolted, so it's really unique. So, trying to be creative, but also not take everything apart just to do this. Come down here. Turn on the flash. Okay. Come down here just to find out that the pulley where you put in the half inch ratchet, whether it's here or at the top over here to loosen it up, this whole part needs to come out in order to wrap the new belt. It is not easy. This will be my first time doing it. There's no videos online, and from what I understand, just by looking at it, come on, clear up. There's a bolt here that I believe needs to be loosened and taken off, and then also put back into what is that thing called? The teeth. And it comes here, and then another bolt here. So I can't show you the entire process, but I am going to show you the correct way this is supposed to be routed. Again, another thing I couldn't find online. All right, so where is it at? So here it goes over this big sprocket here, over, and I believe this goes to the engine, and then it comes up over. There's another, what is it? Can I get it? It goes over the alternator, and then it comes down. I believe, I don't think this is the water pump. Whatever this is, it comes down here and then goes all the way up to, wait, can I get it? It comes down here and then goes all the way up. It wraps around this sprocket here and then gets the last one up there. So hopefully I can get that bolt off, get it replaced, and report back. But that's a better picture of it. It's originally, there's a cap on it that I've taken off, which is this. Nothing fancy. Pop it off with a flat screwdriver. And I think this is a 8 or a 10. I could be wrong size wise. And then here, let me check. 10, what's that? Is that a 10? It is a 10. So I'm gonna do this piece by piece. Where is it at? Yeah. It is a 10, but anyway, I'm gonna do this piece by piece and hopefully try to get this off and back on. So I'm gonna take off the belt. Can I do it from here? I typically do it from the top. It's easier to manage. And I can't find my tool. This is great. Right in front of my face, so come back here. I already had some other work done. Already changed the brakes. But you get the gist of it. And just like that, got it on. Right hand takes off the belt. I'm a one-man show here. Now that the belt is loosened, get that off of there. And then go and try to get this bolt off. Alright, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit here. But I'm not gonna touch this one. I went ahead and loosened this up. And this kind of fell out from in between there, so I'm pretty sure that goes in between the engine and this pulley thing. So I'm able to get the actual belt off now, which is great. And that bolt I'm leaving in place. It's hard to do this with one hand, but anyway, now that the belt is off, I got the new belt. I'm gonna put the where I got the belt in the description, or you can just get it from your nearest auto part store. I don't want to put no big names or anything in there. They don't pay me for this. Anyway, yeah. So now that I have the belt off, I'm gonna go ahead and reroute it through this, and gotta get this started. But here's the part number. And we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy put on. Oh, that's what it looks like too. I already had this opened up. I was gonna quit, but it's hard for me to quit. Here's the new belt. No cracks or anything. The old one has cracks in it, so the dealer recommended it as I was getting some other stuff done. Actually, I could have done it myself, but time. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get that squared away. All right, so I have got the old belt off. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but the cracks are really bad. All right, and here, I'm in the process of routing the new belt on. I just took this off, put the belt on, put the bolts in and the spacer, and gone to work. I don't want to do this again. Alright, so we're at the home stretch, and I got the belt on there. Well, it's not on there yet, but I gotta pull this, and then, well, before I pull it, ease up the tensioner, and then get the belt back on the sprocket, and we're good to go. And do everything in reverse, put the plastic cover back on, and all that other jazz. Well, I got it done. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, no, that's the tensioner. Here's the belt right here. Got the belt back on there, at least the new belt. Everything looks good. Just know it's difficult to get that new belt on because it's really tight. I ended up needing to have someone hold the tensioner as I work the belt on the rounded, what is it, sprocket, whatever it's called. And yeah, got it started. Everything does what it needs to do. So mission accomplished, and then put everything back together in reverse. I took this off along with the, I don't even know what you call it, but that made it, gave me easy access to do what I needed to do. Probably would have been easier if I had a bay to do this in with a lift. But we are good to go. Oh yeah, and I did replace the rear brakes and rotors. I'm pretty sure you can find that somewhere else on the net. But these were fairly decent. I think I paid about $100 US, including shipping. Comes with the brakes, comes with the rotors drilled and slotted for performance and all that other good stuff. So you guys have a good one.